hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I hope you guys going on the road with a positive mind and a positive energy. Because like as I said, no negativity. So I'm going to Trevor. I want to buy something at the shop. So meet you guys there. Yeah. Yes, you guys, this is what I bought a while ago. It's sharp sour beer. It's nice, you know. You guys ever drink it before? Let me know in the comment section. You guys, may I do it? I'm going to have a tree right now. I just actually checking American One taxi. I mean, I don't have this issue. When you don't want to tax them, you see the tax them, but when you want them, you can't get them. That always happens. I don't want them, I tell them I get them. I see them and run and I say, I have a 3 town. But you see when me want them, I can never get them. But yeah, tag along. Tag along, so yeah. So you guys know I'm in Tasties. Having a cheese patty and a cocoa bread and a cream water. Waiting for Renee. She's supposed to reach here already and she not reached yet. But yeah. So I'll talk to you guys when we finish or when Renee comes. I say Renee take forever to reach.
I told me this girl, but never.
Like we tell her one time Renee reached like 1 hour.
Because I have to turn back to something. I see I really start falling. I'm turning back from umbrella.
Because she had her show legs and be or something. She loves spin. So we're gonna do our business first and then after we're supposed to meet somebody and give them something. I don't really know what we're gonna do. Anyway, the breeze blowing.
We'll see, just stay tuned.
Yeah. What's up, sir? So we'll just go with the flu. Watch her. A snap. My girl, watch her. Hey you guys, guess who I'm with?
You're so
Let's always say it.
Yeah, short and neat.
Don't be on. Thank you.
They even pretend a person.
Thank you.
So we're just gonna chill out, have one vibes.
Yeah.
And just, I don't know.
So you just reached?
Yeah.
Okay. So you were just coming here, or you just in the area?
In the area. So
okay.
So check it. Sammy, you know what I'm
Shami.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Yeah, she look nice, you guys?
Same niggas in the crew. Me not hustling up the groove. 4-4 go through. 9 on the side, boys.
Guess who it is?
Hi. What's up? What's the name of your blog?
Please again, Lifeline.
Please again, Lifeline. What about they are?
Lifeline.
We chill out. We they are right here. Spring Plaza, Alpha Tree. Black Radiance Launch. Your boy Mark Curry. Big up that here.
Pick up you too.
Big up me. Let's hope I take up social media personality of the year. And the 3rd time I get nominated, so I guess 3rd time the charm. You know, you understand? Yeah. Up!
Yes, you guys, that's for the subscriber. So how are you doing? No.
These tracks till I pass out. Show you new neck till I pass out. And if you ain't up, get up on my trap.
Oh, yeah, but I can't see you. Oh, don't go over there, but I don't Alright, thanks for your support. Bye. So we're gonna meet one of my friends. You guys know him already, you know. So I'll just link him up, you know, and give him what I'm supposed to get. And yeah.
You guys go one day without a vlog, nothing.
Why? Why?
One day.
Why?
One day.
Yeah, let me pass out one, so.
One day.
But if I walk away at this, I walk away, come on, come on, listen.
Because you either people use car or something. I'm someone that do like to walk, you know.
So where woman there? Where woman there?
Get out.
Your woman, my woman, our woman?
The mother, the sister.
Oh, so you said it's there. Oh. And this is my friend Renee though.
Jesus, Peter again. The people that know me.
Yeah, I Guys, we are separate now. Nika, stop it now. We are separate now, so catch you again next time, alright? Any last words? Nigga, bye. So, me and Renee now. Full time, don't it? We don't know, we're gonna figure out that and get back to y'all. Yo, me I say Renee picky.
No, I'm not picky.
Renee says she hungry, right? We'll go pizza please. She don't want that.
Never in there. No.
We'll go a Little Caesars, no seat never in there. We'll go a Burger King, she still don't want that. Now we are going to KC, she never sure if she want.
That's some island grill. Because that's like.
I really like, I don't fancy island grill to that, you know.
But that is actually with the festival and so.
So we are go back up there so forget something for eat. Eat the singer.
I want a pizza.
My girl, make up your mind.
No, I'm going to buy the singer because I'm hungry.
You see me hungry? But stick to what I know.
I don't want to buy that kind of food. My belly because I'm hungry from morning.
So she love her belly like me. So where you go?
All the man just say I'm pregnant. So.
Yeah, boy, baby mother, where you go? When you have belly? No, sir.
I have a little belly, but it's not so big. It's baby man.
So you're sure I keep saying one this time I'll stop?
Yes, I will buy it. You never used to buy a little burger then and mothers, you stop by them.
No, you know where money man. My girl one
small.
Yeah, it get too small. Burger them get too small these days. So I don't
like I used to kill with it.
Don't it? So we're gonna buy KFC. This time, hopefully, that you want.
I said, no, I'm gonna buy a chicken.
You know, so I'm gonna sit down?
No, but as long as me and them, I'm gonna buy something.
Basically, she want to go somewhere so she can have a seat.
That's why I'm hungry, I just want to bear food.
And then after this, now we have to go walk way back down there, say no?
We must lose weight by then.
I have to go buy some of here again. Guys, you don't feel sorry for me? So, yeah. Now we end up by KFC. Renee gonna go fill up the juice then. So I bought a zinger burger and fries as usual. And she buy the same thing. I don't know how she love fala. And she buy a biscuit as well. So we're gonna have that now. I don't think I'm gonna have all of my one right now, but I'm gonna have some now. So you guys want some? Let me know. So I'll talk to you guys when Renee come back from Madrid. This is my burger, you guys. Barbecue is Thank you, Renee.
I'll be water nice.
Water?
You have to juice and water.
Which flavor is?
Tropical.
Tropical, really? Tropical punch?
Tropical.
Oh, tropical. May I try cool down half of the soda? Correct? Fine. So, as you can see, Renee hungry, she's not in the chatties though. So, yeah. Yeah, remember you.
James.
Whatever, and remember Lee, with a friend. That's it. Now for we are easy for friends, so that it doesn't. Come on. But just buy some and come back.
Actually, flag now.
I can't vlog with you. So you guys, remember that I said I was to purchase something. Me and Renee are going to.
Can't find the place. Them have me what I say walk up and down, and man get sweaty.
I like my thing, but just start walk.
Yeah, I like them, yeah.
So Renee, remember end up last. We're not really last because we're still.
We can end up last and you may follow. Them go places and them don't even know which part them go. Come on.
My back plan life. So, them will follow the same way.
I go left them.
So the same?
No.
It's alright.
Come on, walk that way. I'll take you right.
We can't go
Yeah,
through it? I'll take you right, bad man. Ah, no, I'm not follow. Ciao! You guys, after how much hours of walking up and down, we finally found a place.
And it closed on 5 o'clock.
And it closed at 5 o'clock and reached 6 o'clock. Then again, there was a new building opening or whatever. So, I got free food. I got cake and drinks and so forth. So, then again, I never really lose, but actually gain. Because the man said,
that's not God, go join the gym.
They say just join the gym, yeah, my girl.
Why don't you go check it out?
What if lead them lead them with that coat? I will could almost reach it, you know? Could almost reach it. And man said, go back down the road, and we'll go back down the road like 2 clowns.
When you ask direction,
yeah, Jamaica man said, up the road, take one corner, up the road, and go take the corner. Still like, why we can't
you want to go by the gym?
Yeah? What?
You want to go by the gym to ask someone?
My girl, I'm not going to no gym. Tell her what's so sad? Wait, easy to put on, but hard to take off. You want to take the side there, or what?
Yes, I know you say let's go for the front and then walk.
Yeah, what I got to do? Renee, tired, you say?
Eh?
You're not tired?
Up to the bus.
So right now, we're looking at trees. Which man then?
The next grown man and the one.
I don't know.
The one that people ask direction.
They may know what I talk about. Like I said, we talk Spanish. But I like the kid, it's nice still, but I could eat that.
Red velvet. Why?
Yeah, red velvet and beer something. They must have said, oh, them just take my cake and cut. But
We're tired, man.
we're tired. We're walking up and down from
How long were they here, sir?
We're there from after 12.
What are they from?
No, before,
After
yeah.
one.
Yeah, after. Well, me there from after 12, so I don't know about you. So, yeah. So, I'll talk to you guys in the next. Yes, you guys, we're still there after tree. And yeah, I chat to our friend also. So, this is where I end today's vlog. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So, bye, Renee.
Bye-bye.
So, bye, you guys.